10 Amazon finds of this month. This versatile bakeware set is designed to simplify cooking and hosting, featuring silicone divider trays that cook multiple dishes simultaneously, even with different bake times. These puck lights are designed to activate only when needed, then auto off after 25 seconds. It features smart group control, adjustable color temps, and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 60 days. This item is designed for effortlessly tracking lost items, ensuring quick recovery with a simple button press, and it color-coded for easy identifications. This all-in-one travel adapter is designed for global compatibility, featuring 4 retractable plug types that work in 100+ countries and 5 charging ports to power multiple devices simultaneously. This is a portable travel safe with spacious storage for valuables, and secure it to lounge chairs with your custom passcode. This Wi-Fi connected toaster is designed for precision toasting, featuring 6 browning settings, a built-in press for grilled cheese or quesadillas, and a live display showing weather and timers. This 3-in-1 cleaning brush, featuring a flexible U-shaped silicone head that scrugs seal grooves, a stranded brush for straw slots, and stiff bristles for stuck-on gunk. These clever hanger hooks are designed to keep matching outfits together, letting you hang tops directly above their paired bottoms or accessories. This wireless thermal label printer is designed for effortless customization, letting you create labels with personalized fonts, graphics, and borders. This stamp is designed to permanently obscure names, addresses, and account numbers, with one roll using refillable ink that won't smear or fade like markers.